Hello friends, I welcome you to another video at Happiness Mantra on World Ozone Day. Ozone layer, as we know, is the protective shield that keeps us safe from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. In 1970s, scientists found that use of aerosols and ozone depleting gases was causing holes in the ozone layer. This, in turn, led to increase in cases of skin cancer and cataract, and even damaged plants and ultimately our ecosystem. So, in 1985, world governments adopted the Vienna Convention for Protection of Ozone Layer. Later, the Montreal Protocol helped the ozone layer to heal. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September every year to celebrate this achievement. The slogan of the day is Ozone for Life. This emphasizes the importance of ozone in our life and also reminds us to protect the ozone layer. This day also celebrates the fact that collective work can help to avert global crisis. This message is a ray of hope, as even now the world is geared to fight the COVID-19 pandemic together. We shall overcome the situation soon. Thank you.